top 3 best apps to learn Hindi.
If you're thinking about learning Hindi, whether for travel, culture, work, or just curiosity, you'll want an app that teaches you real language use, not just words.
Today we're looking at the top 3 best apps to learn Hindi, what each one does well, what to watch out for, and who each one fits best. 3. Mondly. Starting at number 3 is Mondly. This app is great for beginners who want a solid introduction to Hindi with short lessons, clear audio, and conversational phrases. Advantages: you'll start with core words, basic phrases, hear native audio, and work with short daily lessons. It helps build confidence in pronunciation and simple sentences. Disadvantages: because it's beginner focused, it might not go deep into grammar or complex conversation. The free version may limit your daily lesson access. Ideal user: someone brand new to Hindi who wants an approachable, fun way to begin and practice consistently. 2. Duolingo. At number 2 is Duolingo, a familiar name with a Hindi course included. It mixes gamification with language learning to make lessons engaging. Advantages: it's highly accessible, free to start, and includes a lot of repetition, listening and reading in Hindi script, great for building a habit. Disadvantages: the gamified style can sometimes focus more on breadth than depth. You may move through levels quickly, but you'll still need extra practice for real conversation. Ideal user: a beginner who wants a structured app, enjoys short lessons daily, and wants to build a strong foundation in Hindi. 1. App for comprehensive Hindi learning. Taking the top spot is a comprehensive Hindi learning app that supports not just vocabulary and phrases, but also listening, pronunciation, writing, and culture. Based on reviews, they highlight apps like Pimsleur or others that go deeper. Advantages: this kind of app lets you progress from basic phrases to meaningful conversation. You'll get good audio, real native speaker voices, reading of the Vanagari script, and lessons that grow with you. Disadvantages: because the app covers so much, you'll need consistent practice. The full features may require payment after free trials. Ideal user: a learner who is serious about Hindi, wants to become conversational, and will commit to regular study beyond just the basics. Final thoughts. So, there you have it, the top 3 best apps to learn Hindi. Mondly if you're just starting out and want quick wins. Duolingo for daily habit building and foundational skills. A comprehensive Hindi learning app for deeper learning and serious progress. Before you choose, think about your goal. Do you just want to know basic phrases, or do you want to converse? How much time will you spend daily? Do you prefer short lessons or more in-depth study? Pick the app that fits your style and commitment. With consistency and curiosity, you'll make real progress in Hindi. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.